Hello friends, let's draw a rabbit holding a carrot. First, subscribe my channel for more videos and press like button. Draw a cute rabbit. Draw a carrot. Draw its leaf. Draw rabbit's feet. Draw its nose and mouth. Draw its cute eyes. Rabbit has long ears. Rabbits like carrot. Looking so nice. Let's color it. Red color. Parrot color. Looking so cute. Pink color. Wow, looking lovely. If you like the video then must subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching.